Awesome! Here is one more. The plural of newspaper is dash. Options are newspaper, newspapers, newspaperin, newspapers.
The right answer is newspapers. The plural of newspaper is newspapers.
Question 2. The plural of bottle is dash. Guess the correct answer. Bottle, bottles, bottles, bottles.
Right choice is bottles. The plural of bottle is bottles. Wow, keep going. 80 is the number dash. Here are the options: 80, 80, 80, 80. The correct answer is 80. 80 is the number 80. Well done so far. Dash is not an item of clothing. Pick a right answer: jacket, dress, coat, skirt.
Right choice is coat. Coat is not an item of clothing. Question 5. Men don't wear dash. Choose an answer. Blouses, jackets, jeans, trousers. Right choice is blouses. Men don't wear blouses. Well done so far. Women don't wear dash. Here are the options: skirts, hats, dresses, ties. The correct answer is ties. Women don't wear ties.
Question 7. How much dash the jeans? Options are AM, is, are. The correct answer is are. How much are the jeans? Question 8. How much dash the suit? Options are AM, is, are. Right choice is. How much is the suit? Question 9. Dash is not a color. Here are the options: clown, red, yellow, green.
Correct option is clown. Clown is not a color.
Here is the next question. I dash blue clothes. Here are the options: like, likes, doesn't like, am like.
The right answer is like. I like blue clothes.
Question 11. My brother dash hats. Pick a right answer. Do wear, doesn't wear, don't wear, is wear. The right answer is doesn't wear. My brother doesn't wear hats.
Question 12. Dash is a negative sentence. Guess the correct answer. I don't wear black clothes. We wear black clothes. He wears black clothes. I wear black clothes. Correct option is I don't wear black clothes. I don't wear black clothes is a negative sentence. Awesome! Here is one more. We dash in Amsterdam. Guess the correct answer. Don't live. Doesn't live.
The right answer is don't live. We don't live in Amsterdam.
Question 14. Do you like dash classroom? Pick a right answer. This. These. The right answer is this. Do you like this classroom? Wow! Keep going. Look at dash books. Here are the options. This. These. The right answer is these. Look at these books.
Awesome! Here is one more. I like dash glasses. Pick a right answer. This. These.
The right answer is these. I like these glasses.
Question 17. The bottle is dash the table. Options are on, in, correct option is on. The bottle is on the table. Awesome, here is one more. There, dash the bag. Choose an answer, on, in, the right answer is in. They're in the bag. Question 19. How much are these pens? Choose an answer. They is €2.50. They are €2.50. It are €2.50. It is €2.50.
The correct answer is they are €2.50. How much are these pens? They are €2.50. Question 20. How much is this dash? Guess the correct answer. Watch. Walk. Watch. Watch. The correct answer is watch. How much is this watch?